GORO stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is Gold Resource Corporation stock a buy? I'm about to be breaking all that down in this quick short 1-minute video. Thing about GORO is that I'm looking to take it up, looking to buy more. Yeah, like I do have this as well. 5 results in the Discord. But the thing is that I was waiting for a double break for some sort of confirmation. And that's still the exact thing that I'm waiting for. But because like last thing that I'll be doing, mate, to just randomly buying, you know what I mean? So rules first must be met, and then I would look to take things up. And all I'm technically doing in the meantime is I'm just waiting for rules to be met. And by the way, like I do have a decent amount of receipts of 5 receipts, right? So stay tuned. I'm not in any sort of rush. If the price gives the rules, sure. If it doesn't, well, we're on to the next one, or just keep waiting. And if you want to get free stock picks and emails and insights daily, click the first link in the description. It's free. People are charging for this type of stuff.